middle school and early middle school learners. And it's concerned with a particular type of problems, the application of fractions in what we call word problems or sometimes called story sums. So we can have almost similar questions with just a few words differences, and the meaning could be entirely different. And that's what we are going to show. We are going to actually compare two similar but actually different sums so that the confusion is avoided and we can get a very, very clear concept of how to solve the word problems in fractions. Now look at this problem on the left side and the right side. On the left we have a man spent 1/2 of his income on food, 1/4 of his income on clothes, and 1/6 of his income on rent. He saved ₹10, find his income. Always you see of his income, 1/2 of his income, 1/4 of his income, and 1/6 of his income. Now look on the right side, a similar problem with a few words changed, but the meaning is completely different. A man spent 1/2 of his income on food, 1/4 of the remainder on clothes, and 1/6 of the rest on rent. He saved ₹10, find his income. Now carefully compare the differences in the wording and the meaning. On the left side, words like of the rest, of the remaining, of the remainder, such words are not at all used. On the right side, we have words like of the rest, of the remaining, of the remainder. These are repeatedly used. Now on the left, 1/2, 1/4, 1/6. All are fractions or parts of a fixed amount. 1/2 of his income, 1/4 of the same quantity, his income, 1/6 again of the same quantity of his income. On the right side, 1/2, 1/4, 1/6. They are fractions or parts of successively diminishing amounts, continuously decreasing amounts. At first we had 1/2 of his income, then 1/4 of the remainder, a smaller amount, and then 1/6 of the rest, a still smaller amount. On the left, in particular note, on the left, food is 1/2 of the entire income. Clothes is 1/4 of his entire income, the same amount. And rent is 1/6 of the same amount, his income. On the right side, food is 1/2 of his income. But on the right side, clothes is not 1/4 of his income. It is 1/4 of his income minus expenditure on food. And the rent is not 1/6 of that amount. It is 1/6 of his income minus expenditure on both food and clothes. So 1/2, 1/4, 1/6. They're actually fractions of different quantities on the right side. Now we have depicted it by a graph using a graphical methods. Look at the left side. The rectangle represents his whole income, his full income. The quantity is represented by a rectangle. So food is 1/2 of that rectangle, clothes 1/4 of the same rectangle, and rent is 1/6 of the same rectangle. Now on the right side, the first rectangle is his whole income. So we have food is 1/2 of the full rectangle, that is his income. Now 1/4, and when you come to clothes, it is 1/4 of a smaller rectangle. Why it is smaller? Because it is income minus what he has spent on food. So it is 1 by 4 of a smaller rectangle, and 1 by 6 of even a smaller rectangle because he has spent both on food and on clothes. So the remaining is a still smaller rectangle. So on the left we had 1 by 2 of a rectangle, 1 by 4 of a rectangle, 1 by 6 of a rectangle. All the rectangles were of same size, that is his entire income. On the right side, it is 1 by 2 of a rectangle, that is his income. 1 by 4 of a smaller rectangle, the rectangle from which the expenditure on food has been subtracted. And rent is 1 by 6 of still a smaller rectangle. From his income, we have subtracted both the expenses on food and clothes. Now see how we work out. On the left, we add all the fractions and subtract from 1. 1 minus the sum of all the fractions, and we get 1 by 12. So we say 1 by 12 of income is 10, rupees 10, so whole income is rupees 120. On the right side, we can't add the fractions because they are fractions of different quantities. So to get the remainder, we subtract each fraction from 1. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 6. And then we multiply the remainders. We are getting 5 by 16. So 5 by 16 of income is rupees 32, is rupees 10. So the whole income is rupees 32. So on the left side, 1 by 2 of a quantity, 1 by 4 of the same quantity, and 1 by 6 again of the same quantity can be directly added, and the total can be subtracted from unity to get the final remainder. On the right side, each fraction has to be subtracted from unity. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 6, and these are to be multiplied. The word of means multiplication. Of 1 by 4 of the remainder, 1 by 6 of the rest. So we multiply all of them. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. We multiply all of them to get the final remainder. So once again, we can repeat. When fractions like 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 are of the same quantity, we can add them directly. When the fractions are of different quantities, 1 by 2 of a different quantity, 1 by 4 of a different quantity, 1 by 6 of a different quantity, they cannot be added together. So enjoy math through real grasp. Goodbye.